Hello and welcome to a Redhaven Outline tutorial. This tutorial is on using node fields. As you notice, the Redhaven Outline window has two sections. The left section in this window is the outline section, which has all the nodes in the basic outline format. You can open and close, you can select. On the right side are the different fields. Let me change the size of these so that you can see this better. Each node in the outline corresponds to a different set of fields over here. For example, when you change, going down here, you notice that things are changing over here. Each node is connected to these different fields. And to start out, let's look at the very top node. I'll close everything. These are the fields associated with the title page node. There are four fields here: the outline title, and by changing this, the title up here changes. So this is where you change that title. I'll change it back. The second is the created, and this shows the date that this whole outline file was created, not the node but the whole file, when it was last saved, today at 5:04 p.m. and any notes you want. And this section here is a rich edit memo. So you can, for example, highlight something and change its color. Let's make it red. There, we've got a red. And I can highlight something else, make it bold, underlined. So you can do whatever you want here, and you can back out by using Control-Z. So these are the two special fields that you can change in the title page. Now the rest of the fields are the outline fields, and all these fields, all these nodes here, have the same set of fields associated with them. The first field is the node title, and like above, when you change this, it changes your node over here. So these two are very closely connected. You cannot edit directly in this. You have to edit it by changing over here. But so you get, in this outline, you get to see the node title of all these different nodes, but you don't get to see any of these other fields unless the node is selected. Let's just go basically down through these different fields. The reference field is a field that holds information that can be used by the program to do something. This reference field holds a web address. When you press that button, it will go to that web address and start and display it. You can also use it as a shortcut to a program you'd like to run. You can use it as an address to a file or to a path. Anyway, it contains information that by pressing that button, you tell the computer to do something. Keywords is a place to store characters, to store one line of information. There's nothing special about this. When we do searches, often it'll be good to put in words that can be searched on. It's not necessary. The search will perform searches on the other fields too, but you can say just perform searches on the keywords field. The summary is a memo. It contains many lines. You can go down and add lines, and it can also, as we will see in the future, can be exported. All these fields can be exported when we do the reports. The summary field has one special thing about it. Up here is a show or hide pop-up summary. So if this is pressed, then when you put your mouse over a node, and if it has something in this summary field, that will show up. So this is a video tutorial, this is a video tutorial, okay. But down here, in other words, without going to these, you can see what's in this summary field. Now that's not the only use, but that is one use, and you can turn that off to if it bothers you. Also, when you move over these, whatever is in that field appears down here in the hint line, just the beginning of it. Also, again, you can use this. If you want to use more than just a few lines, you can move it down and have lots of space to work with, and there's a scroll bar that will come in if you even do more. So you can put a lot of information in here, and you can hold it and use it for other purposes. And the last field is the notes field, and this is a rich edit field. So you can do lots of coloring. Again, for example, you can highlight it, give it some color. You can change the size. I'm going to change it to 12. So there we go. I'll change that back to red. And you can do all that you want in here. And this is where you hold the text, the main text for the node usually. So this is what makes the outline work. As we'll see in the next tutorial, this reference field really is powerful, but these also contain lots of good information that you can use, that you can put into your outline and bring it out quickly and easily. Thank you.